Microphone down small.
Those who should actually have let the attendants show up, which is very, very sad. Because they should say, well, really, like the civil service commission should have been here, and no representation from nobody came from the head of service, which is also very disappointing. Because when you talk about civil labor, it takes around the office of the head of service and the civil service. None of them took it for serious. What they did, I've seen it here. But I want to assure that we will make sure that doesn't continue. As a committee, quasi kind of way, it's like this committee is like a disciplinary committee. It's a committee that oversees what's going on in the area of employment and distribution of welfare, distribution of infrastructure in the country. So it's more like a committee that probes to instill discipline. So we are ready to do that. If anybody tries our will, well, we look at it, what the law says, and we follow it to the logical conclusion. Without going to say something about technocrats, I feel that technocrats is anybody who wants to work. Because most people we call technocrats, they get appointed into positions because they are technocrats, and they make money and they become politicians. And they are the ones that cause the problem. So anybody who can do his job well is a technocrat in that line. So we want to thank all of you for your turning up early and your stay here. Thank you. Except you have what the law is saying at the moment. But I also want to let you know that there is a bill already that has passed the first reading in the Senate that aims at giving more impetus to the functions of the Federal Character Committee and even the Federal Character Commission. It defines how punishment should be meted out. It defines what will be done at the point of infraction. What happened? How did it happen? What are the problems? It could even, if passed into law, it could even mean that even if you have left office and you committed a crime, you call back, you come and answer. And that those who benefited out of that infraction, you also stand could be sacked, sent back to where you come from, especially if you don't continue the right way. So we're still working on that. It has passed the first reading. As we are doing this, we'll be doing that. They'll be going very soon. We'll get somewhere. If you don't start a journey, you can't finish. You have to start first, and we have started. And we thank the Senate, led by our president, for giving us 100% backing. I also thank Mr. President. What we are doing, Mr. President is aware. For those who hide behind and say, Mr. President, let me tell you now, Mr. President knows what we are doing now. Yes, so don't come and tell us. Mr. President did not tell you anything. It's a law abiding citizen. It's 200% in support of what we are doing. So if you are one of those who say, Mr. President, it's a lie, come on. We have his permission.
Thank you, sir.